Good morning, students. Today we'll do our next poem, Aunt Jennifer's Tigers, written by poet Andreen Rich. Tigers and Aunt Jennifer. The title suggests that there are two characters in the poem. One is Aunt Jennifer and the second is her tigers. So, can you guess what is connection between Aunt Jennifer and tigers? Now, let's discuss the poem. Aunt Jennifer's tigers prance. Prance means jump. Across a screen means there is a screen on which there are tigers in jumping formation. Bright topaz, denizens of world of grain. They are bright topaz color and they live. Denizens means they are residents of forest. They do not fear the men beneath the tree. The tigers are not afraid of men. They pace means they walk in sleek, chivalric certainty. Confidently, bravely, and elegantly. These are the attributes of the tigers. They are topaz in color, they live in forests, they are fearless, they are brave, they are dignified, and they are confident. These are the adjectives given to the tigers which are jumping on the screen of Aunt Jennifer. So, literary devices here. First, rhyming scheme. Screen, green, tree, tea. What is the rhyming scheme? A, B. They do not, they pace in. These two lines. Use of same word in two consecutive lines means they. This poetic device is called what? Anaphora. So, anaphora poetic device is used in these lines. Metaphor is used where? Bright topaz. The use of topaz to describe yellow color of tigers. Topaz is yellow color and the tigers are also of yellow color. In spite of using like or as, directly is calling them topaz, bright topaz. So this is metaphor. Aunt Jennifer's fingers. Now, Aunt Jennifer is being described in this stanza. Her fingers are fluttering. Fluttering means trembling. It means lack of confidence. Through her wool. She is using wool. Find even ivory needle. She is using needle and wool. Means thread and needle. Hard to pull. It is very difficult for her to handle the needle and the thread, woolen thread. So this means what? Aunt Jennifer is afraid of something. She has no confidence. To contrast in between tigers in the first stanza and Aunt Jennifer in the second stanza. The massive, heavy weight of uncle's wedding band. Band here means ring. The ladies wear ring in their ring fingers. The ring which is Aunt Jennifer is wearing is very heavy. So this is what? Ring is not heavy, but Aunt Jennifer is feeling it heavy. It means she is not happy with her wedding band, wedding relation, wedding ring. Sits heavily upon Aunt Jennifer's tigers. So now it is very clear how is Aunt Jennifer's life and how is the life of tigers. Tigers are brave, they are unafraid, they are confident and they are elegant. But Aunt Jennifer on the contrast is trembling, afraid, she lacks confidence and she is not happy. Literary device with rhyming scheme is the same. Alliteration is used here. finger fluttering. First sound is repeated here, so alliteration. When aunt is dead, her terrified hands will lie still ringed with ordeals. Now, Aunt Jennifer word is not used. Aunt, generalized. The idea is generalized here. When this aunt is dead, means she is so afraid. This stanza makes everything very clear. She is so terrified that even after her death, her hands will tell the ordeals. Ordeals means the hardships, the difficulties, the tortures that she had undergone during her life. The tigers in the panel, the tigers that she made, she embroidered with needle and woolen thread on a screen, means on a piece of cloth. The tiger in the panel that she made will go on prancing, proud and unafraid. The tigers are jumping, proud and fearless. But Aunt Jennifer is so afraid that even after her death, her dead body will tell the story of her difficulties in life. So this is a very small poem and it is written to emphasize on the male chauvinism in the society. So let us again see the poetic device. Per word is repeated in prancing, proud. So alliteration is used. Now let us discuss with the help of some questions. Denizens and chivalric are means denizens residents, chivalric means brave. Why do aunt's hand flutter? She is oppressed and mastered by her husband. Her husband is an autocrat and tortures her. Why is the wedding band massive? Only again the same answer. She is oppressed. Her married life is not happy life. Why is the needle so heavy? Again the same answer. All these three questions have the same answer. Neither the wedding ring is heavy, nor the needle is heavy. So why her hands are fluttering? She lacks confidence, she's afraid, she's oppressed, and she's mastered by her husband. Why does she embroider? Why is she embroidering tigers only? Why not cats? Why not dogs? Because she also wishes to be confident, fearless, and independent like tigers. Is Aunt Jennifer single lady or represent all the females? Of course, she is the representative of all the women folk who are victims of domestic violence. In this poem, a voice is raised against domestic violence. What kind of man is her husband? He is arrogant, tyrant, and dominant. What does wedding ring signify here? Ring is basically symbol of happy married life. But in case of Aunt Jennifer, she is ringed with ordeals of her married life. She is not happy. She is undergoing tortures. She is undergoing ordeals. Thank you, students.